Welcome back to CodeChef. So far, you've taken input for numbers like integers and doubles. But what if you want to take words or single letters, like a username or the first letter of someone's name? That's where reading strings and characters with Scanner in Java comes in. Imagine filling out an online form. You type your name in one box. That's a string. Then maybe you pick your gender as a single letter like M or F. That's a character. Java's Scanner class helps your program read both kinds of inputs easily. In Java, you can read user input using the Scanner class. For strings, we use next or nextLine. And for single characters, we take a string first, then use charAt 0 to get its first letter. Let's see this in action. When the user types their name and grade, the output will say, "Hello, Abhay, your grade is A." Quick tips. Use next for a single word, nextLine for full sentences, and charAt 0 for a single character. Now it's your turn. Try the CodeChef practice problem, Input Master, Strings and Characters. You'll get hands-on experience reading text input and characters in Java. Today, you learned how to read strings and characters using Scanner, Next and nextLine for strings, charAt 0 for characters. Keep practicing, keep coding, and remember, code. Debug, repeat. Build mastery with CodeChef.